One of the things they don't tell us before leaving Nigeria or leaving your home country to study in a foreign place where the majority of people living here are actually not black people is the fact that you would have little or no products at all that actually work with your skin. Talk from your hair product to your your skincare and everything. That actually posed as a problem for me when I first got here, because I'm always very cautious of my skin, how my skin looks, because it's like it's connected directly to my brain. I can't explain it. It took me a while for me to actually get the right things working for me, and today I'll be saving you that stress. If you always experiencing skin dryness, or your body is always like scaly, or no matter how much lotion you actually put on your body still is not feeling that way you should feel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve that, and we'll be doing it together, so watch out. As I mentioned in one of the videos I made this year, I am going to be focusing on getting better YouTube wise. And I've probably made a lot of empty promises like years back and everything, and I've been quite stagnant. But this year we're going to be more practical with our words, right? And for the next couple of videos I'll be trying out different camera light settings, so hopefully you can just tell me which one is more suitable. So I have my full jar of Vaseline, pure Vaseline actually. So this is what to be using as base. This is unscented, nothing. I would have preferred shea butter, but this is what I can find in Russia. I also have this jar, which is a mixture of the Vaseline I showed you earlier, this one, and some cocoa butter. So I have the normal white cocoa butter, and I have the chocolate cocoa butter. I like this chocolate color because it's kind of reminds me of, I don't know, I just like it basically. I just like the fact that it's brown in color. So next I'll be adding my pure coconut oil. It's actually like semi solid form. And then just to make sure everything is properly mixed together, I'll be using a mixer. So next up, I'll be adding my essential oils. Actually, I have a number of them, but I'll be listing the ones I'll be using. First is the Jojoba oil. Gonna be adding about 5 drops of each. Then we have my castor oil, avocado oil, tangerine oil, peppermint. So basically, this is it. Now, as I said, this can serve as your hair and skin butter. So what I do is I take like half for my hair and the rest for my skin. Because for my hair butter, I would prefer to add more of the peppermint. So I'm just gonna be adding a few of this in here. A quick mix again. So after 10 to 15 minutes in the freezer, it's like solidified already, and it's more. This works like the best after you've like actually added lotion to your body. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, to share, to comment, to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.